Hi, my name is Mike Shamans, and I founded Quality Fireplace back in 1983, believe it or not, as a senior in high school. A lot has changed in that time. I've grown from just being a chimney sweep to being a full restoration service. We're doing masonry rebuilds, relines, waterproofing, tuck pointing, dampers, caps, you name it. So if there's anything you need right now, if your water heater is not venting correctly through the chimney, if there's any sort of backups, please give us a call. That is something that must be taken care of immediately. If there's any water leaking in, active water leaks need to be dealt with immediately or they can cause more problems. Please give us a call and let us figure out where that water is coming in so we can stop it. As I mentioned, been doing this 37 years. We've got all sorts of credentials. We are members of the National Chimney Sweep Guild, whose convention was supposed to be next week in Florida. It was just canceled, so I won't be going there, so I'll still be here to help you all. We're also certified by the Chimney Safety Institute of America. I am a certified chimney technician, as a couple employees are as well, so we do want to keep up with the industry standards. We also are members of the Wisconsin Guild of Chimney Service Specialists, whose Easter Seals camp was just canceled for this year too. But normally what we would do is go up to the Dells and work on the Easter Seals camp. We work on their chimneys, work on their fireplaces, learn how to teach each other how to do these things, provide a good service to the camp. Meanwhile, they put us up and they feed us. Vendors come and get to know everybody, so it's a great event. Unfortunately, that can't happen this year with the COVID going on. But we're also members of NARI. NARI highly scrutinizes their members to make sure they're going to take care of their employees, take care of their vendors, take care of their customers. So we have all the insurance in place, workers' comp, liability, auto, to make sure that everything is covered. We maintain OSHA standards so that there's a safety protocol on all our job sites, and we always keep sanitary and clean. We've always guaranteed no mess as long as we've been in business. We still maintain that guarantee of no mess. We're going to keep doing that for you. And we're going to make sure everything's sanitary. So if there's anything you need, please give us a call. Thanks.